Hello children, in this video we are going to recall the chapter 5 Animating Pictures and Text using PowerPoint 2013 for the pre-annual exam. Yes, here we are going to recall how to insert shapes and text and how to animate shapes and text. First, we are going to insert the text. For inserting text, we are going to click on the Insert tab. Here, in the PowerPoint window, we can see the Insert tab. So, we should click on the Insert tab and choose Shapes from the list of shapes to draw the shapes. These are the list of shapes. We can choose any shape to draw the shapes. Then inserting text. So the same thing, we are going to click on the Insert tab, choose Word Art. Here we can see the button Word Art and select the desired word art style you want. Which one you need, you can select the word art option. Then format the shapes. We inserted the shape. After that we are going to formatting. So first draw the shapes. Which one we need? First draw the shape. Then click on the Format tab. Click on the Format tab and click on the Shape Fill button. Then here you can see the gradient option. Then click on the gradient option. Then you can see more gradients options. So we can choose to format the shapes using gradient options. Here, how to set the gradients in shapes. So the same thing, in the Format Shape task pane, then you can set the type and angle as desired. Here you can change the angles and the types. Which you need, you can select. You can set also. Then now we are going to give the animation for these shapes. So here you can see the Animation tab. Click on the Animation tab, then Animation pane. Here you should click in the Advanced Animation group here. So first Animation tab, then Animation pane. So here add animation option. You can see many list of effects here in the animation option. So many list of effects are here. You can choose any one to the shape for animation for the shapes. Yes. Now we are given animation for the shapes. Now we are going to set the timing. So for the timing, in the Animation pane, click on the down arrow. Here we can see the down arrow, no? So click on the down arrow and choose the timing. You can set the timing here. You can see this window. After that you can set the timing. Then click on the OK. Similarly, the text can also be animated. The same thing for the text also. Shall we quick review? Listen children. What are the instructions we have learned for the shape? The same thing also for the text. The same thing we are going to insert a shape. The same thing we are going to insert a text and give the animation like that. Yes. Shall we quick review? Yes. Click the icon to know the answers. Can you guess what are the icons' name? Yes, swivel. What is this? Swivel. Yes. This one, word art. Good. This one, we can add the animation. So add animation. This one for shapes. We can insert the shapes which one we need. This is a shape icon. Then this one animation pan. What is this? Animation pan. Yes. Complete the blanks. Dash tab contains shapes button. Insert tab. Good. The animation pan option is located in the dash group. Advanced animation group. Yes. To fill shapes, choose the dash option in the format tab. Shapes fill. To fill shapes, choose the shape fill option in the format tab. Yes, children, do the practice. Thank you.